Hi, good afternoon everyone. This is khaseemappa, assistant mathematics teacher from Real Lodaya Coaching Center, Sindhururu. Dear students and aspirants who are preparing for your examinations, respected examinations, especially according to the school students, next April 5, you have Scientific Entrance Exam 2025. With that also, aspirants you are preparing long time to until to get jobs. This video is very important for basic fundamental concept of food. Okay, dear students, you may go and search in YouTube Real Coaching Classes Sindhururu. We are running that regular preparation classes for all competitive examinations and all school entrance examinations. Already I listed in playlist Kannada grammar classes, English grammar classes, mental ability, mathematics, history, Indian constitution, geography, economics and science. Okay, dear students, if you want to get admission through our institution for long time classes, please call this number 782 994 1303. This is my contact number. Please call and register your name for classes. Okay, dear students. Yes, as you know that today topic is food. Here you may see in your throughout life varieties of food. Variety. Yes, variety of food you may see. Variety of food you can see in your life. Here from state to state. Here some food materials which are completely differ from Kerala to Karnataka, Karnataka to AP, Andhra Pradesh, AP to Maharashtra. Food items is not same in all states. There is a difference, large difference in food items state to one state to another state. Yes, today topic is food. What do you mean by food? Because daily we are taking three times: morning breakfast, afternoon lunch, and night time dinner. Yes, here compared to just breakfast to your lunch, lunch to dinner, there is also little bit changes. Yes, morning time you are taking, that is not very nutritious food. Here one word I mentioned. What do you mean by nutritious food or balanced food? Yes, balanced food. Balanced food. Simply, as you know that food is nothing but any nutritious substance that will be consumed by living beings is called food. Any nutritious substances that will be consumed by or that will be eaten by human beings or any animals or generally living beings, that substances are called as food. Okay, food, as you know the definition, any substance, any nutritious substances that will be eaten by any living beings. Let's come to the sources of food. Here we are taking the daily food items. Yes, from where it materials occurs. Yes, the food items or the food materials or food source, where it come from. Here there are two sources are there, dear students. One is plant sources. Plant sources. Another one is animal sources. Yes. Now as you know that plant source, example roti, right? Sorry, roti or roti. This is plant source. The next, as you know that idli or bonda idli, Yes, and dal and wheat and rice, paddy, yes, paddy and cereals or salts. The next food items, especially those food items will produced by plants. Here roti, idli, dal, wheat, rice, paddy, cereals or salts. These are the plant sources food. These are also food items. Then what type of food we can see here? Suppose some seeds. Some seeds also can be eat. Seeds can be produced by plants. Some roots, beetroot, cabbage. These are the food items which we can get from plant items. Seeds, roots and flowers also, cauliflowers. Flowers also we can eat. Those from plant sources. The next, stem. Stem. Those also from plant sources. Then yes, the next fruits. Fruits. Fruit items. Then leaves. Leaves or leaf. Generally you can write leaf. These food items which are obtained by plant sources. Then what about animal sources? Animal sources, suppose example milk. Milk are getting from plant. Egg. The next, ghee, butter, cream, right? The next, honey. The next, milk, egg, ghee, butter, cream, honey and meat. Meat, chicken, mutton, right? Biryani. Yes, these are the food items which we obtained from plant sources. I mean that these food items we are getting from plant animals, right? Animals. These are the main sources. Milk from animal cow, ghee. Yes, that is also buffalo or egg. Sorry, ghee from cow or buffalo, egg from hen, butter from cow or buffalo, cream same, and honey bees. Then meat also from animals, chicken, mutton, etc. Okay, dear students, we should aware of this one because of here. At least we should know what, yes, especially food items daily we are taking 3 times. But where does it come from? We should aware of that. Right, next, herbivores. The living beings eats only plants. Only plants. Whatever living beings may be, if that eats plants, those animals or those living organisms we can call as herbivores. Herbivores is nothing but the living beings or the animals eat only plants. That is herbivores. The next one is example. For example, herbivores. Which one? Elephant. Next, goat, sheep, cow, ox. But man, I will take it the last omnivorous because of man is not a purely herbivorous. I am not sure about all, but especially according to the science, man is not a herbivorous. They maybe say that that sir we are eating only vegetarian, but science does not science does not agree with that. That's why. Yes, next, carnivorous. Carnivorous is nothing but the animals eat other animals, or simply the living beings eats only animals. Living beings, living beings, living beings eat only animals. Best example, lion, tiger, lion, tiger, etc. So many examples you may see. The living beings eat only animals. Those are called as carnivorous. Those are called as carnivorous. The next, omnivorous. Omnivorous. The living beings eats both plant and animals. The living beings, the living beings, the living beings eat both plants and animals. Best example, man. Best example is man. Except man. The next, is there any? If is there, you can comment in comment section. Okay, dear students, I hope you will understand. These are the fundamental class regarding to the food. What does mean by food? Balance the food, and where it come from food, and the sources are plant sources. Yes, plant sources. With that also, we have herbivorous, carnivorous, omnivorous. You should aware of this one. You should learn it, make it notes, make it revision. Definitely, you should aware of that. Definitely, you won't miss any marks in your examinations. Thank you, dears.